At this point, nearly everyone is reaching consensus that global temperatures are rising. The contested point is now whether humans are responsible, or if it is just a natural stage in the Earth's life. The Earth has gone through some extreme temperature changes. About 2.6 million years ago, there was an ice age. During this ice age, the Earth was estimated to be 12 degrees Fahrenheit colder than it is today. After a while, about 21,000 years ago, this ice age peaked, and then the Earth started to warm up again. This ice age ended 11,500 years ago. It is clear that the Earth does warm up on its own without the influence of humans. However, this most recent spike in temperature is different. While the ice age was most likely caused by CO2 released from the ocean, the most recent change in temperatures is caused by carbon dioxide and other gases from another source. What does CO2 have to do with it? Well, CO2 can get trapped in the atmosphere and prevent heat from escaping Earth. This is called the greenhouse effect. The carbon dioxide currently in our atmosphere has reached record highs, something never seen before in Earth's history. In fact, CO2 levels have never been this high in all of human existence, and the levels are continuing to grow. With so many sources, such as excessive burning of fossil fuels, deforestation, and factories, it is easy to see why it is so high. So if global warming is something directly linked to human behavior, is there anything we can do to fix it? Well, if a major cause of the issue is too much carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, then if we can reduce the amount of it in the atmosphere, we can hopefully let more heat escape and start to undo the damage that global warming has done. But is it really possible to take carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere? Actually, yes. The small country of Bhutan, located in the Himalayas, is the world's only carbon-negative country. This means for every 2.2 million tons of CO2 Bhutan puts out, they remove 6 million tons. This is accomplished due to massive amounts of trees, which cover 72% of Bhutan's surface. They also rely heavily on hydroelectric power and thus on fossil fuels. In the end, however, the CO2 Bhutan takes out of the atmosphere is pretty insignificant. The major countries of the world, such as China, India, and the United States, put out billions of tons of CO2 each year. The truth is, it is possible to undo the effects of global warming, but we will need to make drastic changes if we are going to get there. For now, we can use Bhutan as an example for the level of seriousness we should have about climate change.